Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can send Strava route to Garmin. So let's go straight into it. Now, the first thing is uh, I need to explain. I will do that on the web, so Garmin Connect and Strava web, because I found out that on the phone some options are not uh, available. So I will do it here, and also the screen is a little bit bigger, so we will see a little better. So the first thing what you need to do is connect to the Garmin Connect, so log in into your profile and also here on Strava. Now let's say I will uh, send this route here of the recent race in Italy, so Strade Bianche. Let's say we want to import this one into our profile, so let's go and do that. So you see here I'm on the Pogacar profile, and I looking here this map, and you will see here GPX button. What this do is downloads this GPX file of this map. Okay, we do that. So now what we are going to do is go back to Garmin Connect, and now we need to import this GPX file to our profile. So let's go here on the left side to the menu, and then we will go to the training and planning and courses, just like that, and you will see here import button. Click on that, browse on the computer. You see here Strade Victory, so this one is the correct one. Click on and get started, and just like that we will have this right in our. Now I will set up this one more as a gravel, let's say. For me is okay. Then we have here follow popular routes. I will leave that alone. Climbs we have here. Okay, course points, it's also okay. We can view here that we have some 36 climbs. When we are happy with that, just click save. Uh, we will do that private and save. And we have imported Strava route to the Garmin. When we sync this with our Garmin devices, we will have in our device. So when we are in the Italy, we can go exactly on this route. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.